May I ask Undersecretary Cruz, when was the raid of Pamban conducted?
Your Honor. It's March 13, 2024, Your Honor.
March 13.
Yes, sir.
Would it be true that the information that you had a meeting for March 13 in a certain camp in Region 3?
What particular meeting, Your Honor?
Did you have a meeting at Camp General Servilio Aquino of the Northern Luzon Command before the raid?
Before the raid, yes, sir. Sa NOLCOM po, sir, meron.
Yeah, that's the question that I
Yes, sir,
I
meron
asked.
po, sir.
And in that meeting, informations were received by your office na lumalabas na yung mga tao doon sa Pogo Hub sa Bamban. Would that be correct?
Yes, sir. That's true, Your Honor.
Yes, that's true. And because of that, inapuran nyo na yung pag-conduct nyo ng raid.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I know, what were the expected, or what was the expected number of people that you would find the Pogo Hub?
During our pre-op, sir, we're expecting around 1,000 to 1,500 foreign nationals ang dadatnan po namin, sir.
And how many were you able to arrest?
Sa record po namin, sir, about mga nasa 300 na lang po, sir, yung mga dinat na namin mga foreign nationals.
So, what was in your mind then?
Definitely, sir, nagkaroon po ng leakage.
Definite.
Yes, sir.
Sagot po nyo sa akin, definite.
Yes, sir.
nagkaroon ng
Definitely,
leakage.
sir.
Kaya kumonte yung naratnan ninyo.
Yes, sir.
May I ask if General Karamat still here?
Present, Your Honor.
Okay. Narinig mo yung sagot ni Jose Cruz doon sa Kwan sa tanong ko.
Yes,
Po
sir.
ba na definitely nagkaroon ng leakage noong March 13 na operation, which included the Office of the Criminal Investigation and Detection. Tama?
Yes, I heard, Your Honor.
Now, yung dahilan doon sa isang raid kung bakit yung bang Pamban na Jose Cruz yung elements ng CIDG galing na sa Regions 1 in Cordillera?
Yes, sir. Actually, kaya po na-delay, Your Honor, yung pagdating ng elements from the Region 1, sir, dahil medyo malayo po, sir. So that's why we need to, yung grupo na lang namin, sir, ang talaga nagtulong-tulong para maisara, sir, yung mga lalabasan, sir, ng mga nasa Pogo Hubs.
But the participating units knew of the raid.
Yes, sir. Kasama po namin, sir, yung CIDG nun, sir. Yes, sir.
Nung CIDG elements from where?
NCR, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. There was also a raid conducted on the same area by the CIDG alone. Tama po ba? I think that was, tatanong kanina, that was February 1 ba?
That's 2023, Your Honor.
Yes. Yun yung tanong ni Honorable Busita na CIDG lang ang nag-operate. Tama po?
That's what I heard, Your Honor.
Yes. Tama rin po ba, General Karamat?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. And ang nag-lead ng raid, tatanong ni General Busita, I understand it's si Colonel Alejandro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. At after the raid, na-relieve siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero hindi pa ikaw ang CIDG head.
I was already the CIDG head, sir.
You were already the
Yes,
CIDG. Para maklarify kasi magulo kanina yung pagtatanong.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? So you were already the CIDG head when Colonel Alejandro raided yung Pogo Hub sa Bamban Tarlac in February of 2023.
That's correct, Your Honor, sir.
Now, let's go back to the question of the Honorable Busita. Magulo kanina. Most of our time, yan lang sa question na yun eh. Issue na yan. You relieved Colonel Alejandro how many days after the raid?
A day after the operation, sir.
A day after the operations.
Yes, sir.
Now, Honorable Busita did not ask you the reason why. I'm asking you the reason why a day after the operation, you relieved the head of the team which operated against the Pogo Hub in Bamban Tarlac.
Yes, sir, because there was already scheduled a revamp among all my commanders, sir. Actually, it was not Colonel Alejandro was issued order on that day. There were several regional commanders who were included in that reshuffle, sir.
Do you know the mayor of Suwal, Pangasinan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And how close are you with him?
Being a former policeman, I know him. I know him as a colleague also, as a police, sir.
But you are very close with him. Together with retired General Ronald Lee. Would that be correct?
I cannot answer for General Ronald Lee, sir.
Well, as a while ago, may mga pictures kayo eh. Kaya nang pinitinta ng chairman kanina. Ako, I have pictures. Would you still deny that?
I could only answer for myself, sir. But I suppose General
You do
Lee
not
was
know-
once the provincial director in Bulacan, sir. I'm in Pangasinan, sir, so I suppose he knows him, sir.
Kikita-kita kayo eh. Diba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. Kaya huwag ka na magsinungaling. Marami nang naipadala sa akin na information eh. Kaya, so, asking. So, the reason why Colonel Alejandro after the raid in Bamban was issued because meron ng plano na i-reshuffle ninyo. That's your official answer.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
And you think this representation would believe that?
Come again, Your Honor, sir.
And you think this representation, paniniwalaan po yun? Sinabi nyo?
I believe so, sir, because I was the one who authorized that operation in Banban. I give them clearance, sir. So, there is no reason na talagang i-relieve ko dahil dun sa operation nila dahil ako mismo ang nagbigay ng clearance sa operations na yun.
Well,
Wait. So, I'm sorry, Chairman, ako. Because a while ago, you were telling us that you were on leave. Now, sinasabi mo...
That was a different operation, Your Honor, sir.
No. Wait. You told us that on February 1, during the operation of Colonel Alejandro, you were on leave.
No, sir. During the operation of Colonel Buyakaw that I was on
You were
leave.
on leave also of the...
No, sir. No, sir. I did not say that.
Anyway, Comsec, can you kindly backtrack the video? We wanted to find out. But for the meantime, you go ahead, Congressman Chairman Akop. Again, reminder, General Karamat, please, reminder po, huwag po tayo magsisinungaling sa hearing na to. Go ahead, Congressman Akop. Here, that's telling us that the operation that was conducted, augmentation ng galing sa Region 1, hindi sa Region 3.
That was the operation led by the PAOK and Colonel
And
Buyakaw,
this is
sir.
during the time of General Acorda, am I correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ba't hindi kinuha sa Region 3? Ni Acorda?
That I cannot answer, sir. That's the wisdom of...
Is it a trust and confidence situation?
I think so, Your Honor.
And that's the reason why Region 1 ang pinadalang augmentation imbis na Region 3. Who handles Region 3?
Again, I cannot answer that. I don't want to speculate. I don't want to question the
You.
wisdom of the
Ikaw
chief
ang ano, si
military.
IDG nun Ikaw si IDG, you should know.
To inform this committee, the operation in Bamban that was led by Colonel Buyakaw, I was on leave and I was not even informed of that operation. Even my command group was not informed.
So, hindi ka na-inform ng higher-ups doon sa operation ng Banban.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the reason why is
I was on leave.
on leave.
Yes, sir. I was on leave abroad.
So in other words, kaya nagkaroon ng augmentation ng Region 1?
Again, I cannot answer that.
Kasi alam mo, nagtatalo isip po dito bakit gagamitin ng Region 1 instead of Region 3?